Step into the 2003 Toyota Matrix XRS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include keyless entry, power door locks, alloy wheels, power mirrors, power windows, tilt wheel, anti-lock brakes, and CD player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.